Hi! How are you guys? Gandang gabi sa kumusta kayo? Muni-muni sa gabi. Gab.
Mama, ganyan sila.
Pabayaan na yun. Hindi ka makiingan pag irinsoon. Thank you. Hi, good evening. Huh? You will send me today? For?
Ming-ming baga. Di ba daw nakamasakutan? Nakikita pa pa naman.
I thought new phone. Oh my God. I buy a new phone charger. No.
Anong content yung sa akin?
I thought new phone sa charger pala. Not yet. I might be able to get one here for better price. Ah, okay. Thank you for the 12 million. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. Gab, maribukong ka naka-live ako. Thank you for the 17 people in the house. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, don't be afraid to chat with her. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. And buy some coldness. Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Thank you. Good evening to all. Good evening. What did you do with 1K your sister paid you that? Main and Gab, we ate coffee tea at coffee tea pala. And buy some stuff like buy soap like that. Fish, the fish, uh, egg, buy egg. Guys and girls, hit the like button. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys, and thank you for the joining, visiting my house here on YouTube. Thank you so much. Shout out to you, 8 million people in the house, and the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Million, yes. For the 8 million. Now 3 million. Only now. Where's the 8 million? Thank you for the 4 thumbs up. While leave. Nang umalis na sila. for the 3 million again. Thank you, Karen. Thank you, guys. How are you? Where are you? How are you and where are you? Where are you now? I'm not feeling well. I'm in the USA. Hi. Hello. From USA. You only hear on the chat.
Binibili ko na sa'yo. Sabi ko nabili na balik ito.
Mom awake. She's sleeping. She's sleeping early but awake too early. It says 5 here. 4 here. Oh my god. Are your mom awake? Hi mom! Say hi to mom. From me. From Philippines. Hi Ray Miller, thank you for the thumbs up. Yuyo, Burgers, and Rizate, my boy. She said hi and wave, but we didn't see her wave. Ah, okay. Who's barking, the dog or the neighbor's lul? Barking, the dog, shouting the name from the kids outside, and voice from chicken. Hey, Harry, how is your day going? Both way. Both. I feel my body, a pain from like, I need to, feels like TB. Oh my god. Hello everyone. Are you ready for me to dig them? Oh my god. Hi Terry. It's okay. You go back to school Monday. Yes. Monday. Lul, at my work, at working, just swimming in. It's Father's Day weekend. Happy Father's Day from a real dad to another. Happy Father's Day tomorrow to all daddy. Are you all guys daddy already? Hello Cheryl. Hi. Hi Jerry. Happy Father's Day team and Ray Miller. Happy Father's Day. Hi Jerry. Happy Father's Day. How many kids you have, Jerry? None. Oh, why none? You have no kids, Jerry? What happened? Why? Why? Where is my Father's Day gift? Cheryl, Lul, and Tim's gift to I have nothing. I just great. I raise another woman kids instead of having my own. Oh, why? Go get off the stage, Lola. You never did. You spent so much time chasing yourself, but you lose track of time and having kids. Oh my goodness. Hi, Shara. Hi, Tita. Oh my God. How are you, Tita? Thank you so Masama yung pakiramdam ko. Bigat yung ano. Bigat yung katawan ko para ako lalagnating tatrangkasuhin ba. Hey, Tita from Jerry. I've done lecturing. I'm about to again. But we are gonna try to have a baby. Yes. Try and try until succeed. If they are playing basketball, I'm on the way. Yes, the kids playing outside basketball.
Kasi,
Ayan.
kunya na daw si ano sa rin.
May hindi di ano ho, parang ano, sa card. Sunod na. Bukas yan. Do you need Brada natin, may ano. Jadi ada ho. Boleh lah. Keluar dari dalam. Hi Jerry, happy Father's Day from Tita Marie. Thank you from Jerry. Why you want to be the fluffer, Jerry? Fluffer? Team, I love to have fun. But a bluffer is the person who gets the guy hard, so he is ready. I really hope the best for you and Cheryl team. I'm just trying to miss with you. Oh my God, Jerry! I know. Oh no, it team. Oh my God. How old are you, Jerry? I forgot. I only times you out for a joke. I just wanted to miss with you. To miss with you. I'm sure I still have a few timeouts coming. Na just the one. Na just that one. I'm 62, but I look younger than Tim, and I'm more. Oh my god, more handsome. I wish I could have saw your face. Kids, going back to school on Monday. Going back to school on Monday, kids. Hello from Tita. I was just disappointed, Tim, but it's okay. Rob, from Rob. Hello, I hope you're well there. Yes, thank you, Rob. Where are you from, Rob? Happy Father's Day. You are more handsome, but who won the prize? Who won the prize? The prize? Australia. Hi, Sir Rob. Nice to meet you. Welcome to my live I'm from Philippines. Shout out to you from Australia, Rob. You team, congratulations, brother. From Jerry. I really didn't want to put you that long. Hi, hi, Tito. Hello, host. Hello, Tito. Stephen. I thought 5 minutes. 5 minutes, Jerry. What means 5 minutes? So they say me the better man, be the better, be best, be the best man win. I think that's it. Cheryl, hello. Can you see my comments? Yes, Tita. I see your comments. I see your comments, Tita. Hello. Yes, Tita, I see your comment. I watch your vlog sometimes but never see you live before. I live before, Sir Rob, years ago. I do live. No, I wanted 30 seconds. Second. I'm just used to pushing 24. I thought you. No, Tita. I thought you hide me. No, not. I read your comments, Tita. And I'm not, masama yung parang, para akong lalagnatin, para akong pusyang kasi mas maganda yung sipon. I thought Tim was timing me out for 5 minutes, but it was like forever. No, I think no need to do that. Me, you're not too serious. Just come on. I like keeping Tim's blood. Oh my god, no, don't do that. Don't do that to my team. No, nah. Don't have enough problems with that. Calm down, Tim. Calm down. Don't do no problem. Masakit sa ulo. Yung sipon. As long as you know I'm killing Tim, we will be good. Yes. For me, you're just kidding. No, nothing serious. I've never time out, Jerry. What happened? Cheryl, I love you. Oh my God. Jerry, ano, you're cheating all the time. Guild account, ito na naman tayo. Ito na naman. Ito naman. Ano ko. Hopya, may popcorn na naman to. Hopya, may popcorn. Oh, nako. When you're not here, we always talk to see where you are. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Tita, I was at Sheryl house and then Tim was mad at me. Oh my God. Sherry, you want Tim, to be mad. Hope you success. Charot. But I think Tim, I'm bad. I know. Obviously, you're bad. He wishes was that bottom again. Oh my goodness. Tim and Jerry. Tim and Jerry, ha? I'm bracing myself, Tim. Jerry, meet Alice, and I will come with you. Huh? Jerry, you do Alice? You do Alice, Jerry? Okay, tita. After Sheryl line. Okay. I try to join your LS to support you back. You're supporting me here. I support you back. And maybe it helps in a few minutes. I'm not staying a long minutes or hours. He doesn't do law. Huh? He doesn't do? Where? Then you can time out, Jared. LS. LS. Why? Why he can't do LS? I can do live, I just don't. Wow. Wow, Jerry, Jerry. I can do live, I just don't. Wow. I just don't. But I will for Tita, yes. Okay. For Tita, I will join. He will break the internet with his beauty. Oh my goodness. He will break the internet with his beauty. Oh my God. Tim, can come see how ugly I am. No, I think no one ugly in this world. Maybe in we just don't appreciate how I'm beauty. I know. Oh my God. How can I see this? For the Miss, for the Miss Philippines. Why so you can time out? Yeah. Wait, I need water. I would never time you out then. What? I'm sub to you and notification on Jerry. I will be there when you decided to do live. I will be doing live too once musical on our farm this summer. Oh my god! This and here in the Philippines, Tita. Oh my god. Congrats. I wish farm is one of my dreams, having a own farm here in the Philippines or maybe other country like that. And I think Yuri is 5 feet 6 and tall and 315 pounds. Team Cheryl or Tita will never get time out. Thank you. I'm 5 feet 9 inches. Oh my goodness. I'm 5 feet 9 inches and 217 pounds. Oh my god. Jerry, Jerry. That's because one hit on you. I was close. No, here in Canada, we have a maple syrup farm. Oh my god. Maple syrup farm? Yes. Ah, I like maple. but but I don't think maple syrup. I don't know. Pwede pala yun? Okay, tita. Thank you. May oh my gosh. Tim loves me. He loves to hate me. Oh my goodness. Tita, that's nice. That's nice, tita. Ah, I don't hate anyone. That's good then. Waste time to hate anyone. Waste time and waste emotions. I know they may error. That's good, Jerry. Yeah, we closed the farming operation because we're not in Canada during collecting the sap. We'll be somewhere warm for 6 months during the winters. Wow, sana all, tita. I love it. Tita, where do you go? Where do you go, tita? Where do you go? I think I'm already subscribed to you. Wow. That's good. It's hard to subscribe when I'm not blue. We go cruising to the Caribbean in November, then to 1/6 Asia country and the country, then to the Philippines. Oh my God. We're going to Singapore this year. Next year we're thinking South America. Asia. Asia, okay. Oh my God. No. Well, ano yan? Travel around the world. I love it. You need to travel blood, Tita. Bring us the place where you go. Maybe one day Tim will forgive me. Tita, nice life. Come get me. You have a nice life, Tita. I'm not worried about you, Jerry. Stay healthy, everyone. Stay healthy and enjoy the life. You need to worry, Tim. Huh? Sakit talaga? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Hi, Kreya. Hello. No need to worry. Hi, Kreya. How are you? Okay, come to New York City, Jerry. Catch the ano yun? New NCL cruise to the Caribbean with us. It's a cool cruise. Oh my God. What a life. What a happy life. Thank you guys for watching and joining my live. Tita, Jerry, my team. Pray my Lord, thank you so much. Thank you guys. Kaya. Tito Stefan, thank you also. Hi Rob, thank you so much, Rob. Nandito lang po lagi somebody. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Mayad na kagabihon manay. Mayad man. Ikaw, kumusta? Parang nahiwagaan ako sa'yo. Sino kay? Ay, paksiw ah. Tita, I wish. Team and Cheryl can meet us there. Yeah, sure, why not? No problem. Jerry, where are you at? Where are you at, Jerry? Where are you, Jerry? Where are you? Where from? Julie, I thought you were moving to Philippines. I'm in Jana in the USA. Ah, okay. Team, I'm still trying to figure out my sugar. They added a weekly shot yesterday. Maybe I think here when having a blood sugar problem, it having a tea, but it's having a tea. It's from plants. It's a little bit. It's effective, not just a little bit. It's effective to low the blood sugar, but the test is so much better. Bitter. Hi, good evening. Yo, kulay yelo, magayunong kung tayo no. Pwede na, suong ko nga rin yun. Paano yun? May ilaw ka? Video. Thank you for the 10 thumbs up and the 7 million in the house. Team, I'm still try. Okay.
Mama, in-like ko ikaw.
Thank you, Gab. Oh my god. Shut up what? Shut up what? My sugar runs high. Team, can I be blue again since you know I can still share? Tim, answer. Jerry asking you. Answer. Yes. Yes or no? Hi, Michael. Tayan Punjuko Code. Tuba bien. J'habite en France en Bretagne. Hi, Michael. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Merci beaucoup. You come here on my life. Ozempic Tim. What Jerry means? Ozempic. Not yet. Not yet. Why? Really watch the side effects. Really watch the side effects. Ever? My goodness. Ever. Maybe. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Why then side effect? What the side effect? Why the side effect? Having a side effect like a like a sick. Jerry, you're close to Lake Michigan. I was in Chicago, Illinois, great city. Wow, Tita. Oh my God, Tita, you're in the USA. Oh, come on, buddy. I mean, no harm. I'm just silly. I'm 400 miles from Chicago. Oh my goodness, so far. Too far. I see it on TV, but I asked my doctor, and he says that not FDA approved. I think. Thank you, Michael. I will give you my blue jacket, Jerry. Are you feel cold, Jerry? Doctor said it's also for losing weight. Yeah, it's also for losing weight. No. Two as on use rare. Rare. I forgot what means rare. Michael. Can you speak English, Michael? Oh my god, I remember I learned French language before because you know what? But I forgot a little, not a little but much. But Swason it mean, but I like Swason. No thanks, Tita. You look great and blue. Read what I respond already. Sheryl Ozempic is a medicine for diabetic. Ah, okay. Now I know. Michael Tayan, due to respect to a marvelous. Okay, okay. Marvelous. I love it when Cheryl reads from the bottom up. From the bottom up. Oh my god. She always does. Um, I'm alright. Thank you guys for joining my live always. It helps me a lot to reach the watch hour, to end the watch hours. Oh my god. I hope this year I get monetized again on my YouTube channel. Oh my god, thank you. GTP, the Gurus Biso Abiento. Abiento, thank you so much. Merci beaucoup, Michael. Merci beaucoup. 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 Beaucoup salad. Charot. Cheryl, if you stop winking at me, they might turn me blue again. Oh my goodness. Why am I winking with you? Oh, you're playing, Jerry. You're playing. Michael, Mercy. Todo bien? I'm alright, todo bien. Sova, Michael, Sova. She has something in her eye. It's like a sando. I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. I found right from the birth. Beautiful. Laughing will keep us all young. Yes, I do laugh. I do smile always. I don't care what people say about me. I don't care. I don't care. And I don't care. I don't care what people say about me behind my back because I know myself. I do nothing wrong with them. I have no time, no. Good night to all. I enjoy to read and see chat. Thank you, sister. Thank you. Good night. Every time I write something, I look for time out. I look for time out. Oh my goodness. Christy, good night from Jerry. Manuel Santos. Hi, Manuel. Manuel. Team, you are making me proud. Making you proud. Why? Why making you proud? Like I said, I'm not worried about you or anyone. Good job, team. Good night to Sir Jerry from Sister Christy Marmal. Hi, Michael Tian. To Chontibon, Bian. To Lufei. To Moji. To Ramasi. To A. To Janta Mazi. Samit. To Ramen. Oh my god. I know your words is good, Michael, but thank you so much. I really appreciate your kindness and joining my live streaming. Thank you. Because he's getting over his jealousy and actually having fun. Having fun. Christy, tomorrow you need to buy the fish. Yes, buy the fish. Tita, where are you? Tita, where are you na? Nahanap ka na ni Jerry. Jerry calling you, Tita. Tita is busy for their farm. I'm back. Tita is back. I can I can think of things more fun. Hi, Jose. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot. Ikot. Ikot-ikot lang. Welcome back, Tita. Umin Helinda Morena. Thank you, Jose. Jose. Mi amor. Mi amor. Welcome back, Tita. Doon ka na turo ba? Tula? Sarado man lang na ang pinto. What could be more fun than you, Michelle, and Tita hanging out? Tita hanging out. Jose! Jose. What means Jose Grande Amor? What means? Thanks, Jerry, trying to help other vloggers watch our. Thank you, Tita. Thank you, Tita, for watching my live. Most my previous like. Oh my God, I really appreciate. Oh my, I noticed the comments. You watching, yeah, my live years ago, maybe 4 years ago. Thank you, Tita. Tita, you have a good heart. Yes, she have a good heart. I really feel in love people having a good heart. Generous, like that, the most people needs help. Like me, I need help for a shower. She helps me without asking. Yes, it's really it's really what do you call this? So appreciable. Unforgettable people. Ting tayo, yes. Oh, what means Jose? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up and for the 7 million in the house. Manuel, you again. Maybe you need to. I don't understand. Maybe you need to understand. I have 4 cell phones running different colors night right now. 2 laptops, a tablet, wow, and 2 TVs usually run at night. Oh my god, thank you so much, Tita. Oh my god. Oh, wish I have many gadgets. It it my channel get monetized so fast. Imagine I have 10 gadgets and watch 10 hours a day. 10 hours a day for each gadgets. 10 gadgets, so 100 a day. 100 watch hours a day. Oh my god. 40 days. Which watch hours? So easy. I'm not a vlogger. Okay, I don't need revenue. Just wanting to help my fellow Filipinos. Oh my god, thank you, tita. I love you, tita. Me, I need to revenue. I need to earn the revenue. I want to buy a laptop like that. I want to buy a. I have so many things to buy. Like motor, scooter. I want. You are awesome, tita. You're so awesome, tita. I have a tablet for her and bring it with me because 300 to send it, so I just bring it. Yes, you need to bring it there because it's, oh my god, $300 so expensive. More than $300 is maybe maybe ano, much? Like 19,000 pesos just for the tablet. Oh my goodness. 19,000 pesos for the tablet. Yeah, it's the same price here. You are awesome, tita. Yes. Right. Thanks, Jerry. I'm retired and bored. Just a hobby for me. Ah, wow. That's nice, tita. Oh my god, tita. You, ano, you really, ano, you're one a good Samaritan. That's what the Senate cost to send it to you, not the price of tablet. It was free. Yes. So expensive talaga to send the cost. Yes, that's the cost to send the item. Oh my god. What? That's 20 pesos. I'm retired to tita. Oh, you're really, you're a pensioners. That's what this is. Yes. You, you all pensioners. Just enjoying the life, spending time, just, ano, learning people, helping people like that. Julie, you said you are at work. Maybe ano, maybe even are retired from the job. It also work for another work like working at home like that. Or having a new business. Oh my god. Right. Okay, thanks, Soy Team. I retired at 52. I've been volunteering at my church, but that won't stop when we move. Okay. Okay, thanks, Soy Team. Soy Team. I fart. Oh my god. Uh, ch- 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 yeah, awesome, tita. Wow. Hope Sim here can retire at age of 52 and still receiving the benefits from retired the retirement fee, like something like that. Jerry, bring your trailer up to Canada. Oh, I think stopped Jerry. He have a trucks like a home. Wow, it's just like a trailer. It's called trailer. And you having oh my god, headache. Like headache. Oh my goodness. So headache. No, it's a trailer park trailer. Ah, okay. Trailer park trailer. Okay, it's a different no. Uh, I thought same. We have a retirement program called Freedom 55. Wow. We hope same here in the Philippines, but no, not very different here. I've been contributing since I was 18. Okay. Got a great pension payout after COVID. Wow, nice, tita. It's nice. Why? Well, but tada. Ah, masakit ito na. Sobrang sakit na ng ulo ko. Tita just Tito just retired last March. We're free. Oh my god, it's free now. Congrats, both of you, Tita and Tito. Enjoy life and thank you for helping Filipino bloggers here in the Philippines or maybe or somewhere in the world, somewhere in other countries. Filipinos, thank you so much. God bless you both. All of you. Hi, Jose. Tita, I sold my TV. I sold my TV. I'm just it's just me and my truck. Ah, okay. No, you have no family, like siblings, son, kids, or RV, not TV. I RV. What RV means? I thought it's TV. What RV means? Sorry. I don't know. What RV means? Ano talaga? Hanggang, I wrote RV. Okay, sorry. I'm just a woman. Tita, thanks Cheryl. Our project now is helping barangays. When we're there, we did last year. We gave bags of rice and canned foods and a bit of money. Oh my god, Tita. Tita, can I request? When you hear, oh my god, I'm a barangay nutrition scholar here in our barangay. I hope, if, um, I want to help some kids here. I want to help, like I have kids. Um, one of my monitoring. I monitor the kids here. They have a problem. One of the kids I want to help now is called schooling days. Now it's coming schooling days in Monday. I think this is I know it's running on another a level of I know, but some other requested me to help. I buy them not to buy me, not from me, but requesting uh, help. It helps to having their kids to buy bags and paper, a piece of paper, something like that. Uh, Stuff of school supplies because of they can't afford of it. It's not a cheap out. Yes, it's in my videos. Wide or double, Jerry? Okay, Jerry. It is motorhome, Jerry. Motorhome. You live, Jerry, and the truck. Are you living in the truck? It's your home. Truck is your home. It's beautiful home. Uh, da-da. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Hi, Jose. Jose. Thank you, Jose. Tara. I want to buy a van and travel the Philippines, but we don't know where we keep it for 6 months. We keep it here. Some here. I see some here. The a foreigner. Maybe he married a Filipino and to live in the van. And this is just the park and the public no road. It's good. It looks like well, adventure. I mean tourist spot. Very good. I want a WW van, a V van, a VW van, and live in it. Okay. August. What means? Call me go. Call me go. Thank you guys. Thank you. Uh, ta-da. Mm, mm, mm. Baby, you're in my arms again. This time I love you much better. Easier to travel with a van. I don't like the airlines. Yes, I don't like the airlines in the Philippines. So many people say that they don't like airlines in the Philippines. Oh my god, not improving. Thank you, guys. Tita, I need to end the live now. Thank you, Jerry. Thank you, Tita. Tita, Stefan. Thank you so much, Jose. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Michael. Thank you all. Thank you, team. Bye-bye. Love you all. See you later. Tomorrow again. Bye-bye. God bless. Okay, bye. Thank you, Tita.